This is a good deal. $1.99, limit 12. They have multiple flavors. I do the prebiotic sodas. I'll try this one today for 99 cents. Regularly $1.79. If you drink the sparkling ice, they on sale for 99 cents. Limit 1 though, for 99 cents. They'll trick you with these different prices and sales on different days. They got me for something I wanted this morning. Can't get it till Friday. Only red tag items. Excuse me, I'm only video on red tag items here at Jewel's this morning. Sold out, all gone. Missed this one. $6.94. I'm at Jewel's this morning checking out the wine and spirits. They have a nice sale today. Another one of my favorite products on sale today for $9.99. Air fryer ready, baby.